Welcome to Delicious and Nutritious. I will be your chef, Billy Lutz, where we get into everything that has to do with delicious food that is going to be good tasting in combination with nutritious food that is going to be good for your body, soul, mind, and spirit. So this entire channel is going to be based around finding foods, recipes, and other things like that that are going to really serve your body to the maximal potential. We're going to be looking at organic food. We're going to be looking at a bunch of different recipes. Oftentimes, I'm going to feature recipes that I have found on the internet because, admittedly enough, I am not the most proficient recipe creator. However, I do a really good job at finding recipes, number one, and then modifying them to make sure that they are going to be healthy all around. So, we're going to be doing desserts, lunches, breakfast, dinner, and everything like that. And I know you guys are definitely going to be a big fan of all those desserts. Something that we can create that we could even eat for breakfast that is going to be considered a dessert. So this is Delicious and Nutritious. I am excited to build this channel with all of you guys. So if you are new, make sure to take a look around our channel, browse all the recipes, and make sure to start choosing things that suit you best. And I'm going to do my best to point out each and every type of ingredient, why I choose specific things, to make sure that you learn not just to replicate what I do, but when you are in the grocery store or when you are looking at recipes, you can start thinking about healthy thoughts and concepts as well. So, delicious and nutritious, are you guys ready to cook? Let's do it.